Welcome to the info of my HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to change the ringtone volume of your device, you should swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also we got a second way how we can do that. Just first here be sure that in volume button control you got selected the ringtone. And now just press your up or down volume button, you can also change the ringtone volume of your device. And also we can do this with the third way, just by slide this volume panel to the up or to the down with your finger. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.